In this video, we're going to make some end wood. Alright guys, today we're going to have a quick video. We're going to make some end tables out of some scrap wood. So let's get into it. Okay, so we needed some end tables for the house we were selling. So instead of purchasing some end tables I did not want, I decided to build them out of some scrap lumber I had laying around from that rocking horse build and my miter station build. You know, I really don't even want these end tables. It's more of a build out of necessity. So I'm keeping the design simple, as you can tell from that sketch. Basically an 18-inch square with some legs on it and keeping it nice and clean. If it was up to my wife, I'd be purchasing some new end tables from somewhere, and then I'll be stuck with them once we moved, which we have. And I'll have to put them on Facebook Marketplace and have somebody talk me down and haggle with me, and I end up giving them away for nothing. So this, to me, would be the better option. So this is my old Craftsman 100 table saw. It's crazy. It has a little rack and pinion fence on it. It's dead accurate. It's pretty nice. I don't foresee myself ever replacing it. I definitely should get a splitter for it though, just to be safe. So if you're thinking, what the hell just happened? Where are we at? Well, I'll tell you where we're at. We're in Louisiana, and I'm at the house for which I'm building these tables for. Through the generosity of my brother, I'm using his job site saw, and I also purchased a jointer and planer, which you'll see upcoming footage, so I can do a little woodworking while I am at this house. Those items are currently for sale. You didn't think we'd be doing mortise and tenon on these tables, did you? Straight up Craig jig, baby. So just routing in a shadow line on the aprons. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you I did not record footage of me assembling the table, but I think we all know how it gets put together, so you can just use your imagination. Okay, still one of the best purchases I ever made. I love this little track saw. I do not care what anybody says about it. Okay, so once I took the tabletops out of the clamps and it sat overnight, the humidity swing in Louisiana is ridiculous. And you can tell right here, as it sits on that granite, how wavy it is. Both tops are like this. Seeing how this is just, scrap wood, crap little tables, I really didn't care. It actually cinched down flat once I put the Z-clips. So we went with it. And here I am staining it with a Minwax. Hang on, let me go get the can. I'll tell you what color that is. Well, I lied. I don't have the can anymore. It's some kind of gray, semi-translucent. It's not bad. I use Minwax because, it's at every Walmart and Home Depot and Lowe's. I'd rather General Finishes, but they don't have that around here. Here I'm going to put on a couple of coats of wipe-on poly. I saturated it pretty good. It does have some drip marks on it, which you'll see later. But again, really didn't care. So it served its purpose, and we actually sold the house, and it's because of these tables I built. So there you go. Okay, all kidding aside. At a minimum, I hope you found this video somewhat entertaining, and if you did bring something away from it, that's awesome too. If you would consider liking and subscribing, it'd be appreciated, or leave a comment. Tell me how unsafe I am at the table saw and give me some pointers. Those are always welcomed. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.